We're doing a St. Patrick's Day theme for this week. Today's lunch was very, very easy, but I think it came out really cute, and I really hope that they enjoy it. I've given them roast beef with cream cheese on some spinach wraps, and I just rolled those up and made little pinwheels. I added a small piece of green pepper here as the stem. I didn't intend on making this look like a clover. It sort of just worked out that way. I thought it turned out pretty cute. I wanted to make them a rainbow, so I used slices of red, orange, yellow, and green peppers with a small piece of cauliflower as the cloud. I've given them some green grapes, a cutie orange, and a piece of gold, a chocolate golden coin. I think it turned out so cute. We're going out today. We are homeschoolers, but we're going out today, so we're using these new containers for the first time. They are from Amazon. These are one of the items that I had in my Amazon shopping cart, and a few weeks ago my husband surprised me and he purchased those items for me, which was so sweet of him, though I did make a mistake and I didn't realize that these specific containers have a happy birthday themed image on the lid. But that's fine. I really don't think that the kids will mind. And it's kind of funny because my children both have brown hair, and the girl and the boy here have, well, they have black hair, but you know, it's sort of like a representation of my kids. I think they're really going to enjoy those. Maybe I'll get like some sort of sticker, not for today, but you know, for other days. Maybe I'll find some sort of sticker that we can put over the happy birthday image. I just think today's lunch turned out so cute. It's a few hours later. My daughter ate everything. They really enjoyed it. My son ate everything too, except a little piece of green pepper and his cauliflower. It's safe to say he does not like raw cauliflower. It's been a while since I gave it to him raw. He loves it cooked, but you know, it's okay. It was worth a try. I've made some corned beef, and I bought these organic hash brown squares at Aldi's, so I just easily fried those up, added some butter and some spices. I only used half the can of this corned beef, and I'm going to use the rest of that later on in the week in one of their other lunches. I baked up some Irish soda bread. I haven't tried it yet, but it smells delicious. I'm going to break that in half and kind of smush it on in there inside the container so that I can close the lid, just as well as with the green beans. I'm going to snap those in half too because, well, you can see they're kind of sticking out there. But that is what they're having today. Some veggies, corned beef with hash, and some Irish soda bread. I'm going to ask the kids if they want some ranch. I'll take a small container of ranch with us, and maybe some ketchup, because my kids love ketchup on potatoes. I think I gave them a little too much because there's still a little bit left over in every compartment. They both ate about half of their bread. They both left a little bit of veggies, but they pretty much ate all of their hash. What was your favorite part today?
My favorite part was the potatoes.
The potatoes?
Yeah.
Very, very good.
It was so yummy.
And I won't let this go to waste. Honestly, I'll eat their vegetables and maybe a little bit of the bread. But we definitely will not let any of this go to waste. Hello everyone, today is Wednesday. And I guess I'm going with another rainbow theme for today. Well, rainbow and Irish food theme. So I've given the kids each a rainbow colored fruit skewer. I've done some strawberries. I cut up some cantaloupe. Just a little chunk of banana, green for kiwi, no, kiwi for green, and a few blueberries. So I put it in order of, you know, the rainbow, red, orange, yellow, and green, blue. I just don't have any indigo. That's all right. I've used up the other half of that corned beef, and I cooked up some egg noodles with some cabbage. So corned beef, egg noodles, and cabbage. And then I just gave them each a side of those Snap Crisps. These are the Caesar flavored. They really like those. So a pretty easy lunch. I hope that they like it. And this is what they have eaten. How did you like having the corned beef in the noodles with the cabbage? Was that good?
Yes, I did. I loved it.
You loved it? They both enjoyed their green crisps. Looks like there's a little bit of cabbage underneath there, I guess little man didn't want too much cabbage in his. They both ate all of their fruit as well. Very, very good. Alright everyone, today is Thursday, so I guess today isn't really Irish food themed, but we're doing green theme today. The kids really have been enjoying spinach smoothies, so this is simply spinach with water, a splash of almond milk, a little bit of banana, and a few small chunks of cantaloupe. And then I'm using up some more of my spinach wraps. I basically made some cheddar cheese quesadillas. I've given them each 2 small slices of kiwi. And these here are green eggs. They're avocado deviled eggs. So a very, very green lunch for my kids. Alright, as you can see, they ate everything and they also drank their smoothies. What was your favorite part?
Avocado egg.
The avocado egg?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and little man, he loves his kiwi, so I think that was his favorite part.
Yeah,
very
the
good.
kiwi was my favorite part.
It was?
Yep.
Good. Hello everyone, happy Friday. Today we are going out to have some fun. So I've made some cheese-filled tortellini. I actually believe that these were labeled tortelloni on the package. I boiled those up and I mixed in some basil pesto that I bought at Aldi's. It smells really good. I've given the kids some cantaloupe, some fresh broccoli to munch on, and then this doesn't happen often that I give them dairy with dairy, you know, 2 types of cheese, but I meant to give these to them a few days ago and I totally forgot to, so I figured I would start using up these little Baby Bell mozzarellas. I gave them each one of those, and I gave them each another one of those chocolate golden coins. I'm not sure exactly what happened to the wrappers, but I saw them eating their cheese. They ate their cantaloupe, their chocolate, and they enjoyed their basil pesto pasta. Tortellini. What do you guys call it?
And my favorite part was the cheese.
The cheese?
Uh-huh.
My girl. So that is everything that they had for this sort of St. Patrick's Day themed week. We hope that you all have a great St. Patrick's Day. We hope that you all have a great week. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.